To Preparing for Graduate Study class. This is a class that the Magnetic Scholars Program has prepared for you during the summer so you can advance in your application process and so we can train you with what is an efficient application and what components are required for the application. The course will focus on core competencies of creating admission essays, identifying graduate schools and programs, and maximizing standardized test scores. You need to do the GRE in this class. Materials that we have for the program are all provided by our office, so you will have your GRE practice book, your graduate admission essays from Don Asher, and the handbook that we created with examples of other scholars' essays. We will provide you with that. And if you don't have them, you should come to the office and get them or give us a call and see how we can send them to you. So the learning outcomes of this class will be to identify and assess graduate programs consistent with your academic and career goals. So we will see what schools you will be applying to and also what specific program. We will try to identify sources of funding for your graduate school, and we will be helping you to perform at a good level in the graduate record examinations or GRE test. We will help you to do your admissions essays, the diversity one and the academic one, and we will teach you how to do a curriculum vitae, which is similar to a resume but is longer and organized differently than a resume. So the procedure for this class is an online seminar class that requires that you watch all the lectures and that you do all the exercises that we propose in each of the lectures, and that you do the assignments for each component of the application. The requirements, what you're expected to do in this class is first to complete a pre and post GRE test. Then, of course, you have to log on to D2L to see the lectures and do the exercise and look at the activities that we have for each part of the application and do them and send them to me. So one of the activities and one of the assignments is to meet a graduate program portfolio that documents the identification and assess of the potential of graduate programs. And it includes a list of recommendation letter sources. You will have to also create an admissions essay and your curriculum vitae. The way that we will grade this class is by you completing the assignments. So the first assignment is the admissions essay, and that is 35 points. Class, you're expected to do a graduate portfolio. That means that you will have to identify what you want to study, what's the name of the programs that you want to study, what universities offer, what are the requirements for admissions for these programs, what are the deadlines, which faculty would you like to work in these programs. That's the portfolio. It's a big task, so it will be a big part of your grade. That's a 30 points exercise. Then you will have to create your curriculum vitae. That's 20 points. And then you will have to answer the discussion post that I will put in each of the models, and that's 15 points. So for a total of 100 points. And 100 points will mean that you have an A for this class. The way that we have structured this class is that the first model, we're going to be talking about how to select a graduate program, if you're going to select a master's, if you're going to select a PhD, what are the pros and cons of each of them, what is the portfolio assignment about, what is the information that I want you to get from each of the graduate schools, and that's the first model, and why you should be applying to a graduate program. That's what we're going to discuss in the first model. Then the second model is how to write an effective admission essay. So we're going to tell you what is the content of a good admission essays and what are usually graduate schools looking at an admission essays. So I will tell you what you need to write, what kind of experiences they're looking for, and how to write it. And then the next model, we're going to talk about the ways that you can finance your graduate school. That's a very important issue for all of us. So we want you to know all the different resources that are out there to finance your graduate school. The other model that we have is how to get good letters of recommendation and how to ask for them. Finally, we have a model where we're going to tell you how to create a curriculum vitae, and we're going to discuss the difference of a curriculum vitae with a resume, and we're going to see other scholars' curriculum vitae and see how they have structured their own curriculum vitae. And then you need to register for the GRE, so you need to do some time for that, to do it with us by phone or coming to the office, whatever you prefer. So more or less that's what we're going to be doing in this class. Please make sure that you look at the course schedule and that you are completing the modules. It's very important that you're moving along in your class and that you complete each module and that you let me know through your discussion posts that you have completed your modules. And if you have any question, please send me an email, give me a call, we can Skype. I just would like to be helping you in this process and that you're moving along during the summer so you're ready for fall when the application deadlines start. Please don't fall behind in the material. We want you to be ready for fall, so whenever you come back to the university, you don't have to start from zero in your application process, and we can just perfect your application components and that you have a very good application ready by the end of November.